Thanks, Flo. So let's talk about the website I've been building for the past 2 weeks. It started out as a project to sync game data with the website. You know, working with Soup on these ELO stats for a while, we wanted to make it a little more automated and streamlined, and creating a website and hosting it on a game server has huge advantages. So this is nothing new, server status with player counts per zone. Something else I want to show you here, actually having the player list from the game sync up with the site. See which game mode's being played, what base, who's on Titan, who's on Collective, and what class they are. It's a little messed up because there's no squad leader here, no medic, engineer, color coding, but it's getting there. Feature videos. We got a forum, we got squads, matches, stats. Eventually there will be guides, and this is a bonus feature here I'll show later. You can donate to the site. You can support development costs, I should say server costs, and development time, if you wish. Thank you so much to people who have already donated, who have been helping me test the site. Trouble, Mystic Gohan, Decker, Thiz. Your support's really appreciated here. If you want something a little more for your dollar, you can also go to the perks page. You can sign up for, well actually, let me talk about how do you sign up for this website. In-game, you can type register, your email. Just replace your email obviously with your actual email. Then you go to your email and you confirm. Once you do that, you'll have an account on this website. You can purchase weapon skins, kill effects, and more. Right now we only have 2 effects because I'm working on the overall site. Way more to come with that. So, oh, by the way, the floating text on kill, you can enter a custom phrase and you can change it on the site at any time. Now, let's talk about some other features. The squad management, you can invite, kick, promote, transfer, disband. You can upload squad banners. Mike already made a pretty funny one. And moving on. Matches are automatically recorded with all stats. You can schedule matches. You can have squad versus squad tournament or pick a team. This will be limited obviously to staff. Squad versus squad still being worked out. Pick a games, just whatever. Date and time. So let's go to the stats. This right here, game stats, will be linked to stats. Also a work in progress. Something with the stats is the game does not normally track EB hits, turret damage, accuracy, class swaps, WUP one. All that will start to be tracked through a separate database. Reason being is editing the in-game database is a ton of work, scary, and possibly game-breaking. It's much easier to maintain and manage a separate database for CTF. In here you can view all stats for all players. Right now it's just mine because there's nothing uploaded or captured just yet. You can click on individual players and you can see the game mode breakdown. You know, right here will be mixes, dueling, possibly pub. Still a work in progress. Let's go back to the main page. So this guide section is also something that is TBD. I need somebody to actually fill out the content here, but this is just a demonstration of how things can be animated with modern web design. And right now this is just boilerplate details that are not relevant. But we can have mini games, we can have actual class guides that are covering different sections. So I'll need your help to fill out the details. More on that later. You got your dashboard here. Still some stuff to work out, but essentially this is just your central hub for your account. Messaging system. Compose. See your inbox. That's how it works. There's a dueling tournament system that I just started working on. This will have actual brackets with a winner's bracket and a loser's bracket. And, you know, right now it's just a simulation, just like the one we live in. But eventually, our user will win. But until that day, we'll keep dueling. But yeah, so far, pretty cool stuff. Stay tuned for more. Flo, back to you, brother.